Hello guys, today this vlog is have to find a way to
based on 36-month GM employee and family.
got it. So right now is in the car. I'm going to tell my mom more. If I didn't already say that, I think I already said that, but I don't know. So drop the camera. So yeah, this video might go a little later today. Go out a little late today. I know it won't go out later than today, but it's gonna be out late today. Not later, but this is getting on my nerves. I want to bring my thing up. So, yeah. That's what I'm doing at this moment. And it takes a while to get there. And, we're gonna drink some juice. Also, I know it's good. So I'm going to get you guys. We're halfway there at least. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say this. There's going to be a hidden hashtag in this video. If you see the hashtag, basically, you have to comment down below. The same as that hashtag. You have to comment down below the same as that hashtag and what it says. Okay.
Is there a wedding in your future?
I do.
We have supersizesaving.com.
It's mocktail time at Tropical Smoothie Cafe.
I wonder, did you guys find the hashtag?
Watermelon mojito smoothie made with fresh watermelon and featuring 0 grams of fat. Or try the avocado smoothie featuring whole avocado. It's always 5 o'clock at Tropical Smoothie Cafe.
Hope so.
Blended, not stirred summer lineup. Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Eat better, feel better.
I might just end this video because it's getting a little boring.
We're here for all the
If we end up doing anything very special, I'm going to any stores that I will vlog there. I promise.
Now for the 4th of July, get fireworks
If you don't want much vlogging,
Player
we'll
won't be
vlog
$5
that.
only. Play for a pack of Market Pantry water, both on sale for $1.99. Plus 2